everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a look using two palettes, like one on each eye. Palettes that I'm going to use to create this hopefully same look is the Naked Cherry palette and also the Morphe 35F palette. Now these palettes aren't very similar because this palette doesn't have warm neutral brown shades and this palette doesn't have any pink mattes. They only have shimmers, but we'll see what we can do. And if you'd like to see how I created this look using two different palettes, one on each eye, please stay tuned. So I have already done the base of my makeup, so if you want to see how I did that, please click on the everyday makeup tutorial link over here, or I'll leave a link in the description box below. Okay, let's get into it. So to start, I'm going to start by putting concealer on my lids, and that will kind of eradicate the dark tones and also prep them ready for the eyeshadow, and it will kind of make the eyeshadow stand out better. So I'm using the Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer in 02 Nude from Maybelline. So I'm gonna go in first with this Naked palette. I'm gonna do the Naked palette on my right eye. There's my setup. Hi. I'm just gonna go in with a brown shade over here called Privacy. Just gonna go in on that outer corner. I'm going to next go in with Young Love, which is this shimmery pink. This one. I'm going to swipe it with my finger and then pop it straight on the lid. It's actually quite crumbly. And put that all over my lid. A bit of fallout. Went in too hard with my finger, but it's okay. Then I'm going to go in with Turn On. Same thing. Just going to put this on the middle of my lid. Give it kind of like a spotlight look. And then blend it by tapping on the sides. Just going to add a bit more to give it that pop. Going to go in with Young Love again. Very gently this time. And just put it on the outer corner and inner corner again. I'm gonna go back in with Privacy, the brown shade. And then with a clean, fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend out that edge, just so it's more seamless. And all blended. Now I'm going to attempt to replicate the same look on my left eye with the Morphe palette. So I'm just cleaning off the same brush. I'm going to go in with the darkest matte shade, which is a completely different tone to the Urban Decay one, but we gotta make do. Same thing again. It's a much warmer shade than the Naked one. And you can get your clean fluffy brush and just blend that out. Then go in with this shade. Too dark. Let's now go in with this shade. A bit lighter. Let's see if this matches a bit better. A little bit. It's more rosy. Let's try this shade. Not bad. It's more pigmented. Okay. And then we're gonna go in with this shade. This one. On the middle of the lids. If I pop it here, it might lighten that pink slightly. Yeah, I think that's similar. Not just me, right? And then with a clean finger, only this shade, and maybe this shade on the centre to still give it that pop of colour. And then blend that up. So what I've just seen is this eye is more pinky than this eye. So I'm going to go in with Drunk Dial, which is this brown. And it's a brown shimmer. Just pat that on top of the pink Young Love. Just to deepen it slightly. And now they actually look really similar, look. So I've popped on some eyeliner and I'm now going to go and finish off the eyeshadow. So again, just cleaning off the same brushes. So I'm going to go in with Privacy, again the brown shade from the Naked palette, and pop that straight under my eye. And then with the Morphe palette, again I've just cleaned my brush. Caught it. I'm gonna go in with this shade under my eyes. So I'm going to use a small tip brush. I'm going to go in with Turn On from the Naked palette. That's way too much. I'm just going to pop that on my inner corner. And then with the Morphe palette, I'm going to go in with this shade over here. So this is the look that I came up with. I think I did a pretty good job, if I may say so myself. I think they look pretty similar. So I just wanted to show you the look in natural lighting. So again, this is the Morphe and this is the Urban Decay. And yeah, I think they are actually quite similar. Here's a close up. So yeah. And thank you for watching. Hope you have a lovely day, keep staying safe, and I will see you next time. Bye!